Dacarree Scott, a.k.a. the Mack Truck. What's good, Mack Truck?
What's going on, man?
Not much. All right, Mack Truck. You up in Philly? You from what, Atlanta?
Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah.
All right, what brings you up here?
Coach Mosey. My manager that brought me up here said he liked it. I like it up here. It's locked in, so I'm going to be up here now.
So you moving up here for good?
I'm moving up here, yeah.
Oh, shit. Normally people from Philly move to Atlanta. Now you from Atlanta moving to Philly?
Yeah, come on. I'm be still, Atlanta's still home, though, but it's right here for training to get better. That's why I need to be.
What was the deciding factor of you coming up here for good?
Me and Mustafa, you know what I'm saying? He kind of said he didn't want to train me no more, and had to fell out. I lost my last fight, and I just kind of just different look. You know what I'm saying? He still, I appreciate everything he done for me, but it's a different look. And,
What happened in the fight that you felt like you didn't perform like you would have wanted to?
Strength conditioning. I gassed out. I kind of, this guy blew my load, but I felt good. I lost some 30 pounds, probably like 8 weeks. I was in shape. It was just, I think it just blew my load, and I lost the fight I shouldn't have lost.
When can we expect you back in the ring?
Huh?
When can we expect you back in the ring?
They saying February or March, so get back active, get back going.
What kind of Mack Truck are we going to see in February, March 2023?
It's still the same Mack Truck, but more improved, better conditioning, better defense. You know what I'm saying? Different Mack Truck. Not the more pretty Mack Truck one. We're trying to really run things down.
Yeah. So we're looking for grizzled, grimy Mack Truck.
That's where we come from.
Okay. As you're 7-1, how old is Mack Truck? 24. All right. If everything goes right in 5 years, where's Dacarree Scott?
Back in the rankings. Now my 7 Pro 5 was ranked up 14 in a row, so back in the rankings for a belt, and then get back on moving forward and get a belt. That's what we kind of do.
Okay. Last question. Jaron Ennis, he's facing Kareem Chudistan. I can't pronounce this shit. I'm sorry. January 7th on Gervonta Davis's undercard. What's your thoughts on the fight?
Man, this is my first time seeing moves train and everything. He is a monster. The stories everybody's saying, they ain't lying. He raw. That's all.
Some people feel like it's exaggerated. Some people feel like he's a hype job.
Nah, he ain't no hype. It's like, people just said, I always say that about somebody. He did that, he did that. Nah, you see it, it's different. Like, it's different.
What's the part about him that shocked you the most? Is it the speed? Is it the power? Is it the size?
Nah, it's just his IQ. It's his ring generation. Like, you watch a fight, you see he got power, you see he fast. In the ring, he's doing stuff, he adjusts quick. You can't make the same mistake one or twice. A lot of people that smart, they make the same mistake, he attack. That's kind of just dope seeing it. It's like, all right. So I'm trying to get like that. Like sometimes with me and my boy Haven, we be talking, we like, well, we gotta go do that. We like, well, you can't do that. We gotta train. Like it's more like, all right, yeah. It's kind of just.
So you stealing some things?
Huh?
You steal some stuff?
Yeah, I'm stealing some stuff.
So what do you expect the outcome to be in the fight? It's the IBF eliminator for Earl Spence's title.
Who's gonna win this fight? I believe who's gonna win.
But what, decision, knockout, what?
He gonna knock out. He gonna knock him out. Early,
late?
Whatever he want to do. See if maybe he want to get some rounds in. Maybe he want to fight. It's up to him, but he can do it anyway.
Okay. Right. Thanks, Mack Truck. Appreciate you.